US sprint star Abby Steiner excited about upcoming battle royal with the Jamaicans in the 200 meters at the World Championships. American National Trials 200-meter champion Abby Steiner says that she is really excited about her upcoming battle royal with the three Jamaican sprint queens in the women's 200-meter event at the upcoming 2022 World Athletics Championships, which will be held at the Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon, in just about 2 weeks' time, beginning on the 15th of July and running to the 24th. Steiner is now considered to be a very strong medal contender for this event at World Championships, and the American is relishing the prospect of having a kind of home advantage as she gets to take on the Jamaicans on her home soil. Currently, the American has 3 of the top 4 fastest 200-meter times in the world this year, with her best time being 21.77 seconds on June 26th. With that clocking, she held the number 1 spot very briefly, but now sits in second place on the 2022 World Top List after Shericka Jackson of Jamaica ran a faster time than her, with Shericka's own personal best of 21.55 seconds, coming just a few hours after Steiner's 21.77 clocking. The NCAA indoor and outdoor champion has also set collegiate records to win both the 100 meters and 200 meter events on the collegiate circuit this season, and now she's turned her brown-eyed gaze on the world stage, determined to excel there also. But to do that, she's going to have to run faster than Shericka Jackson, Elaine Thompson Herah, and Shelly and Fraser Pryce, as well as her other American compatriots. That's quite a tall order for the University of Kentucky standout, but she's looking forward to it. In her words, "I am really excited to race against the Jamaicans. I am excited to be on a world stage for the first time and being able to represent my country. It's really special." Well, now there are 2 questions that Steiner will have to answer at the Worlds. Number 1 is, will she be able to hold her peak performance at this optimum level she's at right now until the World Championships? And number 2, can Abby Steiner win this epic battle against these 3 Jamaicans and the rest of the field? We will see beginning on day 4, which is July 18th at about 4 p.m. Eastern Time, which is the time slated for the women's 200-meter heats at the World Championships, Oregon 22, to begin. May the best sprinter win on that day, no matter which country she hails from.